What the heck is up, J Nation? It's your boy Jar13107. We're here with the Pug today because we got an exciting video. Got something in the mail from Amazon. Unfortunately, this is my second time recording the intro. I've actually already shot the video, but my files got corrupted, so we're going to go and reshoot this intro, and we're going to get right into it, and hope you guys enjoy. Wanted to mention that today we're going to be using this handy dandy box opener. Okay, I see it. Alright, J Nation, so as you probably guessed from the title, this is what we were opening. Let's go ahead and open it up a little bit more. So, we took advantage of some Prime Day savings, and I went ahead and picked up a headset, my old headset. Mic was literally coming off, so this is definitely going to be sick. There's the box, looking good. Has some, I'd give it a 9 out of 10 for the box. You know, I'm not a huge fan of the color, but the quality's there. It's got this nice, pretty, best high-end gaming headset by IGM, so I mean, you know what you're getting. Alright, let's go ahead and open this last little bit up. Okay, so we opened it up, pretty basic. You got your headphones in here. Let's go ahead and pull those out. Some fun protective equipment. Ooh. I do like the way they feel. Right off the bat, they feel nice. Let's see, is there anything that I'm going to need in here? We got a nice little fun snack for later. We'll save that. And then we have the accessories box. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Okay. So we got a manual. You got the mic cover. Like here is the like booster thing, and then in here we got the rest of everything else. You know, while I'm opening this up, just want to give a shout out to all the loyal fans out there. You know, I know my consistency has been a little low, but you know, you guys, you don't disappear. I appreciate it. You're always there. Okay, so we got one cable. And our secondary. Beautiful. Okay, well, I'm going to lose the cowboy hat here, and let's try it on, see what we think. Here we go. Wow. So right off the bat, the noise canceling is crazy. I can barely hear myself. So that's one thing I really like. The comfort, it's kind of got this, you guys saw it when I was putting it on, this kind of elastic strap that's making this really comfortable. It just sits on your head. Not going to have any Astro dents after this one. But yeah, quality feels good. Excited to try them on, get into a game, and see how they sound. Obviously, you got the retractable mic here. A couple other controls on the actual headset itself. But overall, super excited. Maybe I'll give you guys, if you're interested, a owner review after I get into some games, try it out. If that's something you'd like to see, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I hope you guys keep living your J Nation best, and we'll see you in the next one.